Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the wild ride that is Florida's wildlife. You know you're in Florida when your backyard looks like a scene from Jurassic Park. Seriously, the only thing missing is Jeff Goldblum giving a lecture on chaos theory. Let's start with our unofficial state mascot, the alligator. These guys are everywhere. You ever played golf in Florida? It's the only sport where you have to yell for and gator at the same time. And they love showing up uninvited. You're sitting at a dinner party and suddenly, here, folks, we have an extra guest in the pool. Quick, somebody grab the oversized pool net. Then there are the manatees, or as I like to call them, Florida's floating potatoes. These gentle giants move slower than a retiree in the left lane of I-95, but they're so lovable, you just want to hug them. Just be careful. Hugging a manatee is like holding but it's her. And how about those iguanas? They're like the squirrels of Florida, but on steroids. You wake up one morning and there's an iguana on your porch doing yoga. Hey buddy, downward dog is my move. Speaking of which, how do iguanas do a downward dog without falling over? Ladies and gents, what's your favorite Florida critter? Anyone had a run-in with a raccoon that thinks he's a ninja? Those little guys are like burglars in training. You leave out a trash can and suddenly it's a raccoon rave. And let's not forget the infamous Florida birds. You ever try to eat a sandwich at the beach? Good luck. Seagulls here are like aerial ninjas, swooping down with military precision. You've got to hold onto your sandwich like it's the last life preserver on the Titanic. Finally, we have the snakes. Florida has more snakes than Hollywood has reality TV shows. You find one in your yard and it becomes an impromptu game of who's more scared. Spoiler, it's usually me. So here's to Florida wildlife, where every day is an adventure and every creature has a story. Thanks for being a wild audience. Remember, keep your eyes peeled and your snacks protected.